What's up guys, JB here with iKoniKmodz, and today we're going to take a closer look at the case sent over by Raidmax a few days ago. It's the Alpha Prime RGB in white. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel as we have more future content coming up, and I wouldn't want you guys to miss it. Also, don't forget to tap the notification bell so you'll get notification as soon as we upload. Anyway, let's get on with it. So this is the Alpha Prime RGB case in white by Raidmax. It's a stunning mid-tower ATX chassis sporting not one, but two tempered glass panels. This most definitely sets the mood for all the RGB possessed lunatics out there, myself included. Properly placing your peepers on the front panel, you'll suddenly find yourself overwhelmed with confusion and intrigue as you look at the ancient relic known as the 5 1/4 bay. Just below the bay to the left, there's a power and reset buttons accompanied by two LED indicators. On the opposite side, you'll find two USB 3.0 ports, a mic, and a headphone jack. Then of course, there's the star of the show. Oh yeah, it's that thing that's been getting your nerd juices going since we started to remove the plastic. Yep, I'm talking about that tempered glass panel in all its splendid glory. Which, by the way, just happens to be proudly showcasing the 3 included RGB fans. Removing the panel gives you direct access to the fans and also an opportunity to display a radiator. Swinging around to the back, we get a quick look at the generic black panel held on by thumb screws. This is par for the course as this panel is typically facing a wall. Removing the back panel gives you access to the PSU, 2 hard drive sleds, 2 SSD sleds, cable management cutouts, and the rear of the motherboard for easy swapping of your cooling solution. Within the hard drive cage is an accessories box. Inside the box, we'll find the multifunctional RGB remote, some Velcro straps for cable management, fan and motherboard screws, and the usual, or rather unusual surprise, in a motherboard speaker. And there's also a manual. Lowering around to the rear of the case, an I/O cutout, a 120mm fan, 7 PCI expansion slots, and the PSU bay. Bottoming out on the case reveals mounting spots for pumps for water cooling, and a dust filter held on by tabs. Jumping up to the top, we find a full front to back magnetic dust filter sporting up to 360mm radiator. Now we take a look at the thing that you may or may not have wet dreams about. That full tempered glass side panel. Hot damn, that looks good. Removing that massive piece of visual delicacy, we get the full spectrum of the internals of the case. There's a removable optical bay, which would allow you to get a 360mm rad at the top, and also you see that there's still room for a 360mm at the front behind the fans. There's also sporting 2 SSD mounts above the full front to back PSU shroud in case you want to put the SSDs on full display. So overall, my thoughts on the case are this. The build quality on the case are fantastic. The aesthetic is phenomenal. The 2 tempered glass panels included with the RGB fans just gives you the all-around bling that you're looking for. Plus, at the price point that it all comes in at $79.99 at the time of filming this video, it makes for a fantastic buy. It's great bang for your buck quality, as well as you get the aesthetic of the tempered glass panels. Most cases that include all the features that this one does are gonna run you 100 plus at the point. So, my recommendation is to definitely buy this case, especially if you're looking for something to make it as a white build. I have one in the works, but you'll have to stay tuned to see that build coming up. So if you want to pick one up for yourself, I'll drop some links in the description below and you guys can click on it and pick one up there. Anyway, I'm JB with iKoniKmodz, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.